Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel NutriLegit. I hope you all are doing good. So this video is a requested one, and today we will be discussing on how to gain weight in a healthy way. We all know that health is wealth, and being healthy is the optimum goal of every individual today. We all want to be healthy. Today many people are facing the problem of being overweight and obesity, but a small population is there who have also been facing the problem of being underweight. So today I will be addressing you on how to gain weight in a healthy way and build up your confidence level. Body mass index, which is also called the BMI of a healthy individual, ranges from 18.5 to 24.9 kg per meter square. So if you are below the BMI of 18.5 kg per meter square, you are underweight. So now let's learn to calculate your BMI. BMI is calculated by the given formula. BMI is equals to weight in kg divided by square of height in meter. So if a person is 55 kg and his weight is 160 centimeter, then BMI equals 55 divided by 1.6 into 1.6 or the square of 1.6, and which equals to 21.48 kg per meter square. So this person falls in the range of a normal BMI. The weight you gain or lose typically depends on the energy balance that exists in your body. Normally it is said that the energy balance is there when energy input is equals to energy output. That is to say, if your body weight is 55 kg and you consume 1000 kilocalorie of energy in form of food, and if you burn the same amount of kilocalorie, that is 1000 kilocalorie by exercise, then it is said that you are in energy balance. Some of you may have been trying to gain weight for a very long time. You have tried different type of diets, different types of exercises, but still you didn't get any results and no weight gain is there. So you must think that there might be some reasons why you are not getting the weight. So here I have listed some of the reasons which might hinder your efforts that you are applying to gain the weight. So let's see some of the reasons. Any medical issues like diabetes, cancer, thyroid problems, digestive conditions such as Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis might also be hindering for you to gain weight. Mental disturbances like depression, anxiety, obsessive compulsive disorders, they all affect your appetite. Eating disorders like anorexia nervosa or bulimia nervosa. Too much of physical activity, a high metabolism, and family history or might be some genetic reason. So these were some of the reasons that might be stopping you from gaining weight, and it is always very important for us to analyze the underlying causes that might be stopping you to gain weight. And now here I have some tips for you that will help you to gain your weight and hit your weight gain goals. So let's see some of them. First of all, a healthful and calorie-dense food is always appropriate for you to increase your weight. Adding calories to your diet. If you are an normal adult, then your calorie intake should be around 2400 kilocalorie. So if you are underweight, add an extra calorie of 500 to your RDA, that is recommended dietary allowance, which becomes 2900 kilocalorie until you acquire your desired weight. The next one, add a teaspoon of ghee to your food. This will not only increase the calorie density of your food but will also help in the absorption of vitamins. Have small and frequent meals. Normally we eat breakfast, lunch, snack and a dinner. You can add 2 snacks in your day routine, that is have breakfast, then mid-morning snack, lunch, evening snack, dinner and a bedtime drink, probably a glass of milk. You can include a handful of nuts and seeds in your snacks. Almonds, cashew, walnuts, sunflower, pumpkin seeds and flax seeds are some of the healthy options. A high protein and whole grain carbs can be included in your diet. You can opt for peanut butter or almond butter, whole grain chapati or bread, fish and poultry, butter, yogurt and milk. Try including smoothies and shakes to your diet, especially for the snack time. You can just take some fruits of your choice. a little milk, a teaspoon of peanut butter, which is optional, or any other nuts. You can also add extra calorie to your food by adding cheese and eggs. A 30 to 45 minutes of exercise, especially strength training like cycling, weightlifting, push-ups, squats, helps you to gain weight in form of muscles. They even stimulate your appetite to increase your hunger. Gaining weight means not gaining the fat, and you would always like to gain some muscles. So sugar and salt should always be taken in moderation. So these were some of the tips that you can use to gain weight in a healthy way. But also remember to deworm your body. Take King Deworm tablets every 6 months. That will help you to prevent from worm infestations, and which is also a reason of not absorbing the food properly in your body. Until and unless your body don't utilize the food you eat, then you can't gain the weight also. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. It will help you to flush out the impurities and digest the food well. Be active and have patience. By the time you will gain the weight if you will follow a healthy lifestyle. Treat for any underlying disease conditions. So to help you in your weight gain goals, here I have shared a sample menu diet plan which you can follow and gain some healthy weight. So let's see. In the early morning, you can take a glass of warm water with almonds, and at 7 a.m. Which is the time for breakfast, you can take some fruit milkshake. You can eat fruits of your choice plus 2 eggs, or you can take milk or tea with 2 slices of whole bread and an egg, or you can take egg sandwich with 1 fruit of your choice and a glass of milk, or you can also take oats pancake and milk. In the mid morning time, which is around 9 a.m., you can have a cup of sprout salad or boiled chana, or you can also have some fruit salad with yogurts and nuts. And now comes the time for lunch, which goes around 11 a.m. and here you can take 2 rotis, a bowl of rice, 1 bowl of dal, half bowl of vegetables which is seasonal and which you like, 5 to 6 numbers of some salad which can be cucumber, onion, tomatoes, carrots. You can also take 100 to 150 grams of chicken or fish or paneer, and don't forget to add a teaspoon of ghee to your food. Now coming to the evening snack time, which can be around 2 p.m. You can have tea plus roti, preferably of whole grain wheat, and then or you can have fruit custard with peanut or almonds or walnut, and you can or you can have bread, peanut butter and a milk, or you can also have besan chilla. In the mid evening snack time, which comes around 5 p.m, you can have a fruit of your choice with a glass of buttermilk, or you can have soup. And at the dinner time, which comes around 7 to 8 p.m, you can have roti, rice, dal, some vegetables, soya chunk curry, a bowl of curd and a teaspoon of ghee. And you can also eat something in your bedtime, which can be around 10 p.m. You can have a glass of milk with 2 to 3 almonds or 2 to 3 dates. So now I hope you are clear about healthy weight gain and how you can do that. So that's all for today. If you have any queries, please do leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll surely respond to all your queries. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any further update from this channel. Until then, keep smiling and stay healthy.